Hello, in this lecture I will introduce how to use basic arithmetic operators. Create a new project and name it Arithmetic Operators. Follow the same process and press OK. Before we start writing the program, we should add some commands. Option strict on, which makes Visual Basic stricter in data conversion like C# language. The other one is option explicit on. It forces you to declare all variables explicitly before using it by using the dim statement. The standard arithmetic operators are the addition symbol, the subtraction symbol, the multiplication symbol, and the division symbol. Other operators are the backslash symbol, which is also division, like the / symbol, but used only for integer number, or you can call it integer division. More operators are the square symbol, mod or modulus, which is division for the remainder of an integer division. Okay, let's start. I will declare variable dim first number as double and dim second number as double. And dim result as double to keep the result. Next, we will assign a value for the first variable that is first number equals 100, for example. Second number will be 111. First, we start at addition. Result equals first number. Then add the plus symbol, followed by what we want to plus. In other words, just place operators between numbers or the variable. Use console.writeLine to display the result and add some messages. Result: Then connect the variable by the and symbol and the word result. Then I will add a message that will inform users to press any key to exit the program. We will use console.readKey so that when users want to exit the program, they can press any key. I'm going to run the program. Press F5. Okay, we will see the result that is 211. Correct. We can press any key to exit the program. So I will press the escape key. See, we already exited the program. Normally, if we use console.readLine, we can only use the enter key to exit. Next, I will use other operators. Change the operator here to subtraction and run program. Here, I want to start a new line for 100 subtract 111 equals negative or minus 11. Correct. Change to multiplication. This is the result. Try division and change numbers to 10 and 2. Okay, something like that. We already learnt about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are still 3 other operators. Integer division, which is the backslash symbol, is division in which the result will keep only the integer and discard the fractional part. I will give the example, 10 divided by 4 will be 2.5. If I use integer division, you will find the error here because this operator can input and output only in form of integer. We have to change all variable type to integer. See, all errors are gone, so let's see the result. Run program. It turns out that 5 is gone because it displays only the integer and discards the fractional part. Next, moving to the square symbol, which is a letter in the same key with the number 6 on the keyboard. Normally, this operator will convert from integer to double, so when we use option strict on, the compiler will show that there are errors. So we must change integer to double. You will see that all errors are gone. Then I will try 2 square 7 and run the program. The result is 128. There is another method that can be used in place of square. That is math.pow method in system namespace. Type system.math.pow. The result is the same as square. Followed by first number, second number, and run program. We will find that it causes the same result. This is to say that square's background mechanism is the same as math.pow method. They're identical. It depends on which one we use. The last operator for day is mod. I will change data to 10 and 2. Then the result will be altered to first number, mod, second number, and wait for the result. The result is 0. Then I will change the number from 10 to 9, and the result will have the fractional part. The question is, what are we going to do with mod? We generally use mod for finding the value of an even or odd number. After this, I will show you some examples. I will use only first number, so I delete second number. Keep the result. I will assign a value of first number, which is 1. Then delete these lines. We don't have to use them anymore. Okay, I want the program to display the number of first number. Type first number and the and symbol, followed by the message that we want to display, and is an. We want to show the first number value whether it is an even number or odd number. So we use immediate if or IIF function. Generally, writing IF command is very long, but IIF function is the shorter form of writing. We use this command to decide whether first number is an even number or odd number. Start with first number mod to inequality or not equal to 0. It is the condition that if first number mod by 2 and doesn't equal 0, it will show some specified message, which I chose odd number. This part is true part when the case meets the condition. Other than this, there is another condition. In case that mod equals 0, it will show even number. Right here, we have to add a bracket. There is an error underlined in red, which is a result of option strict on. We have to convert this line into string by adding dot to string, since there is the and symbol operator in this line connecting each part in the line together. Next, run the program. Okay, 1 is an odd number. I will change the number and see what happens. 2 is an even number. Change to another number. The result is an even number. This time, it is an odd number. Allow me to explain one more time. We will use IIF function to determine whether the number we key and mod with 2 is equal to 0 or not. If it is not equal to 0, it has to have a fractional number, so the number that will be displayed in this case is an odd number. But if it is equal to 0, meaning that it doesn't have a fractional number, even number will be displayed. Like this. It's not difficult. I will end this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.